Okay, this is math video number 2 for Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Happy birthday, Maureen. Alright, so again, we are subtracting mixed numbers, which the most important thing is to find the common denominator for the fraction before you do any subtraction. So common denominator, rename the fraction with the common denominator, and subtract. So we're going to do the first one, 2 1/8 minus 1/4. And of course, we have to find a common denominator. And if you're getting good at this, you know that what the common denominator is going to be. But we're also going to change this around, so we have it subtracting 2 1/8 minus 1/4. That way we keep everything lined up. Alright, so I'm going to do my 4, 8, 4 times 3 is 12. I think I can stop there because we have an 8 here and an 8 here. So this 8 does not have to change, but we have to change this to eighths. So we're going to have eighths here. 4 times 2 is 8, so I have to multiply the top by 2. So that is 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 2 1/8 minus 2/8. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do some exchanging here. So we know that this 2 right here is 8/8 and 8/8, 16/8, because 8/8 is 1 and another 8/8 is 1. So I'm going to take this 1 8/8 out of this 2 and give it to this. So that would make it 9/8, and this would be 1 9/8 minus 2/8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Keep our denominator. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 and 7/8 is our answer. Okay. We're going to do number 6. And for space's sake, I'm going to automatically set it up the way I want to set it up. 3 1/6 minus 1 3/4. But we know automatically the fractions do not have the same denominator, so we're going to have to find a common denominator. So I'm going to do my common denominators down at the bottom. So do this. We have 6, 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and 4, 8, 12. We found the common denominator. It's going to be 12ths. So over here we have 3, and 6 times 2 is 12, so I have to multiply the top by the same thing. 1 times 2 is 2, so that's 3 2/12 minus 1. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, So I have to multiply my top by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So again, just like in the last problem, I'm going to have to take this 3, because this is 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8, because 8/8 equals 1 every single time. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to make it a 2, I'm going to add 8/8, I'm sorry, 12ths. My mistake. This is 12/12 plus 12/12 plus 12/12. So I'm going to add 12/12 to 2/12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So now I have 2 and 14/12 minus 1 and 9/12. 14 minus 9 is 5. And we keep our same denominator. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1 and 5/12. You have to remember that your whole numbers can be turned into fractions as well to help you. Alright. And the last one we're going to do together is 9 and 3/8 minus 3 and 2/3. So again, we're going to have to find common denominators. Alright, so I'm going to do that over here where I have some more space. 3 times 1, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 I have this going right? 18, 6 times 3 is 18, oh sorry, 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 8 is 24. I went out that far because I already know when I get out there that 24 is it. 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. There's our common denominator. So this is going to be 9. Alright, so we did times 3 to get 24, so we have to do times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 and 9/24 minus 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So I have to multiply that 2 by 8. That's 16. Okay, so again, I'm going to take 24/24 out of here. So I'm going to take 1. I'm going to make this an 8. And 24 plus 9 is 32. 24 and 9, 33. Sorry, 33. So this is going to be 33/24 minus 16/24. So 33 minus 16 is 17, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Oh, sorry, forgot to put the fraction. Let me 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13. So 33 minus 16. Just checking my own math. Yes, 17. Just checking my own math. So your answer is 5 and 17/24. If you have any questions on how to do this, we have a 10 o'clock help session tomorrow and a 1:30 help session tomorrow. See you there if you need help.